Today, in this regional workshop, we come together as a community of experts and stakeholders who share the same goal, a sustainable, low-carbon future for Southeast Asia. And this workshop provides a unique opportunity for everyone here to exchange ideas, explore innovative approaches, and also work together for the region toward a sustainable, low-carbon future.
This is very clear. We all know about equity as a topic. It's very important in the international negotiations and so on. So where's the balance between equity and efficiency, meaning that emissions are reduced overall globally at lowest cost?
ASEAN is on the path to becoming the epicenter of global growth. Our region's GDP is projected to triple from 3.1 trillion in 2021 to 10.5 trillion by 2050. But this remarkable growth is under threat. Climate change is already impacting our life, our economies, and our ecosystem.
This collaboration ensures that our action aligns with our nationally determined contributions and our long-term strategies for low-emission development. One of the highlights of today's workshop is the introduction of the Global Mitigation Potential Atlas, or GMPA. So the tool will help us to identify collaborations, how it is possible, and how we can develop strategies that unlock transformative opportunities. By showcasing successful case studies of international collaboration and innovation, the GMPA demonstrates how a borderless approach to climate action can help us maximize our collective mitigation potential.
It's been going really well. For the past 2 years, we've been working on building the Global Mitigation Potential Atlas, and through this workshop, we can finally see it in action and actually see it create impact, where we're seeing the 9 ASEAN member states come down, various models come down, and use the tool and actually see how we can move the discussions on international collaborations forward.
This workshop made me realize each country have similar problems. We're not alone having the same challenges. For example, the investment issues, policy making issues, and some capacity and technologies, we call that lacking of that. With some of the interaction assessment tools like the IESR, I just realized, maybe this one can help us to insight further our energy policy.